Here's my top concealer tips for 2024. First one is to mix your color corrector into your concealer. This is going to help hide dark circles, but it's also going to look a little bit more natural than laying the concealer over the color corrector. The next tip is if peach concealer, like the previous example, isn't hiding your dark circles, try a pure orange color corrector. This is going to really help hide deep, stubborn dark circles that aren't covering with normal color corrector. And what I like to do is lay a concealer on top of it to hide the orange color corrector, and it's going to look seamless. The next one is if you have mature skin and you find concealer settles into fine lines and wrinkles, try a hydrating formula like the one I'm using here. They tend to be thinner, they're moisturizing, which is going to be perfect for mature skin, and make sure to press them on and tap them in. Lastly, if you have under eye bags, this tip's going to help hide the appearance of the bags. So use a lighter shade in the dark part of the bag underneath, then a matching shade on top, and this is going to help. Okay, this hack is a game changer. Use a setting spray on your brush before concealer and apply it underneath your eyes. Then apply your concealer like usual, blend it out, and then set it with the same setting spray. By sandwiching it between the setting sprays, it's going to make sure it lasts and you don't have to use powder. These are my favorite concealer tips. Always use two shades, one that matches exactly and one shade brighter. It looks more natural. Then use a color corrector to prevent under eye grayness. If you have deeper skin, try a red color corrector. It works better. If your concealer creases, try using a tissue to remove excess oil and product and powder through the tissue. If you have mature skin, mix in a hydrating primer into the concealer to give you a little bit more moisture under the eye. And then lastly, smile and only put the concealer in the inner corner if you have